Max from Abstract Automation here. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Zoho Flow to create a new ticket in Zoho Desk whenever a deal in Zoho CRM is closed won. Let's get into it. Let's just see it in action and then we can go through the pieces of how it's put together. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, I can think of several examples, but one common one is, let's say you sell things that need to be put together or assembled, and you have a production team and they kind of use Zoho Desk as a queue so they know what new orders have come in, what they have to put together, and along the way throughout the process the customer can get automatically notified of the progress and the delivery and shipping and all that kinds of stuff. The deal in Zoho CRM would represent this sale, and when it's moved to stage closed won, means that that sale has been completed. So here we have a deal in Zoho CRM currently at proposal agreement stage. And then now we're going to click on work approved in just a moment. I just want to point out here, we've got the customer information. We have a little description here that would be what the production team would want to see as far as what was sold and what options were selected. Go to win this deal. And that would trigger our Zoho Flow that's working in the background. And within a few seconds, we will see a new ticket appear in our queue in Zoho Desk. And here it is. It's already there. If we open this ticket, we can see the details came over from the deal just as we would expect, along with all of the customer information. All right, so how did this happen? How did I put this together? So it was pretty easy. If we look at Zoho Flow, here is the flow that was created to do this. So the flow is first triggered based on a deal getting updated in the CRM. And there's also a filter on the deal that checks to see that the stage of the deal is set to closed won. We also have a desk ticket created field where after the ticket gets created in Zoho Desk, the field gets a checkbox checked in it so that this just doesn't create multiple tickets for the same sale. So this trigger will kick off the flow. Then what we have next is it gets the deal information. It finds the Zoho CRM contact related to the deal. That is so that we can get the email address of the contact. It will then use the account or customer name to fetch the account record from Zoho Desk to assign the ticket to. It fetches the desk contact based on the email address of the contact on the deal in the CRM. It then creates the ticket. If we look at the ticket details and the mapping, you can see here's how we map all the variables. We put an email of the customer on the ticket, phone number of the customer. We set the subject of the ticket to new production order. The details of the deal are mapped into the description of the ticket and so forth. All right, the ticket gets created, and then after the ticket gets created, the flow will then tick the box back on the CRM deal, indicating that the ticket has been created so that we don't mistakenly create subsequent tickets for the same sale. That's really it. Hope you enjoy this. Have a great day.